Happy New Year's to everyone watching, and thank you. My name is Erich Nowsch. You may remember me from my case, which made national attention on some of the media's biggest platforms, including Oprah Winfrey's Network 2020, Good Morning America, ABC's multiple 2020 episodes, Nancy Grace, Inside Edition, 60 Minutes, World News, British tabloids, CNN, Telemundo, IDTV's 2020, A&E's Court Cam, Fox, ABC, CBS, NBC, CW, and too many others to keep naming. I've said I was innocent since the second all of Las Vegas' police agencies raided my house on February 19th, 2015. No one believed me. Well, now, 11 years later, I'm proving it, as you can see from the pictures on this page. I was never even bound over to district court. My case was closed, dismissing all charges against me and ordering my release from custody 3 weeks after I was arrested in justice court on March 9, 2015. No one ever told me, and I was never released. The grand jury tried to indict me on false and illegal evidence, which was my coerced and intoxicated confession. Plus, the victim's daughter testified that I was not there. She's 100% positive of it. She knows me, and she would know if I was there. She testified she saw who did it and gave a description and said that person was by itself. For those reasons, the Justice Court judge voided the grand jury indictment based on its illegal evidence in Crystal Myers' testimony. This took place on March 6, 2015. 3 days later, the judge's court motion was granted to dismiss all charges against me, release me from custody, and close the case until the state can resubmit some new evidence with probable cause. Till this day, they never have. My ghost case has been intrinsic fraud by the state of Nevada's DA's office in the assistance of my lawyers, Conrad and Augustus Claus. The state's argument to this day is that I was indicted by a superseding indictment on March 20th, 2015, which was presided by then District Court Judge Linda Marie Bell. This superseding indictment was solely for my alleged co-defendant, as you can see from now Nevada Supreme Court Judge Linda Bell's voluntary disclosure and Nevada Supreme Court's confirmation that I am not a party to the case, plus parole and probation statement of facts in my PSI, which will be posted on here, along with a whole bunch more evidence, including multiple audio recorded calls between me and the public defender's office who did my sentencing, telling me that they never represented me for this murder case or anything to do with the murder case number 304831, which I'm in prison under. They said they only represented me for an assault case, which I can prove my innocence of as well, but they never spoke on. I will get to that too in other videos by me on here later. So please stay tuned to this page because I have way more than one can imagine of both evidence and recordings that gets way more shocking. Thank you, and please follow me and share this page to help me get the necessary attention I need to get my freedom back as soon as possible. I pray that I am believed and listened to now.